What's the go word, ladies and gentlemen? We got a little project to do today. I've had this kayak for a while and I've wanted to install kayak rod holders. I've already put some tape here that I can use for a reference. All I did was follow this insert line right here. Now I just follow the outside line. That way I just follow this line, put a line there. That way I can take some measurements, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but I mean the more symmetrical it can be, the better. So here we go. Boom. I follow this line, tape there. Follow this line, tape here. I just measured, have the same measurement. I think it's 4.5. 4.5. So yeah, there we go. What we're gonna need is a screw gun, rivets, a rivet gun. You don't need a rivet gun. I believe these come with these come with screws, but there was actually no way for me to get to this part of the kayak. There's a hatch here, but there's no way I'm finagling my arm through this little crevice. I already tried. So we're gonna have to do the rivets. I would have much rather use the screws because you can just unscrew it and take it off. But today we're gonna use the rivets.
Rivet.
Rivets. Metro. Lapis. Marker. Hole saw. And for this hole saw I'm using, what size is this? It's a 2 1/4. 2 1/4, buddy. Yeah, what I did like about this one is that this one has the little loop for, I mean, some people would say like all the time fishing, but I think of it more like winter fishing. This metal? No. Oh, this is plastic. Yeah, this is plastic. Would have been a lot cooler if this was metal. Okay, here we go. Good thing I didn't go too far on that. Just push that to the side. And bam, there you go.
Then you can put rod on.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's for.
It's just a rod.
So we set a rod. So now you get to determine if you want your rod straight back, pitched a little out. So play with that and make sure you got it exactly where you want it.
Yeah, make sure you want it fall out the kayak.
So now that you got it set to where you want it, go ahead and mark it. I want to set one just to make sure that it still lines up with my dots that I have made. You wouldn't want to drill all 3 holes and then find out that somewhere along the lines it got skewed somehow. I'm going to drill these other holes out. Alright, now most people would use marine grade caulking or stuff, marine grade caulk, but I got some good old Sherwin-Williams, so that's what we're going to use. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it coming out the side. I mean, it's okay if it does, but we can always clean it up. What? Okay. So we're going to go like this. Let's do this one first. Alright.
Yep.
So that one's good. Open it up. Apply forward downward pressure. Now I didn't snap that one off completely just because I want to get the other ones in. Where's that little... There it is.
That? Oh, that's what you said.
Yeah, we're going to put this on. Okay. What? That? Whoa. Okay, that snapped it off deep inside. It's kind of weird. So that's a little deceiving. She snapped it off way down in there. Usually, normal ones, you would have them just flush right here. Huh, that's weird. All you do is get a moist sponge.
Clean. See what you don't do.
Just like if you were doing a tub.
Tug?
Or a vanity.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. That means.
Alright, well there you go. Boom. Man, this is so weird. I'm gonna have to caulk that with I'm not gonna do white, but like some black caulk. I don't like those holes in there, man. I mean, this is secure. I can't move it, so obviously it grabbed, but it's just, it was really odd that it snapped it from way down in there. Like I said, usually they're nice and flush up here. I've never used this rivet gun before, so. Huh. Okay, let's go again. Alright guys, well there you go. That's it. Rod holder set. Okay, it's time for the giveaway. Let's see who won. What did people have to do to win a bag of goodies?
Comment and like and subscribe.
Comment, like, and subscribe. Alright. Let's see who our winner is. Comment section, comment section, comment section. No comments. No comments. Oh man. Doesn't look like anybody's gonna win. Man, alright. Well, we try to give some stuff away for free, right? Yeah. Alright. Better luck next time, guys.